Checo, just sorry to see what happened there. You were just basically a victim.
Yeah, it's a big shame. Up to third, I outbraked the McLaren. I was really finding good grip already, and yeah, unfortunately, quite some damage, and that meant that basically I lost a lot today. But as a team, I really hope that Max can recover some points because what happened today. It's a very bad error from Valtteri.
How significant was the damage on the car?
Quite significant, yeah. It was quite a big hit.
And is something you go and pick up with Valtteri at some point?
I don't think there's much to be said. I mean, he did a big mistake. Of course, it's not on purpose, but he knows himself, but nothing to say.
But particularly frustrating given how strong the car is being around here. It could have been a big result for you today.
It was a big result. It was all looking pretty good for us, but yeah, it will happen.